It's time to learn about how to use lines in MT4 Android App. Welcome to Capitalxtend. Let's start with how to use Ask Lines. To add the Ask line on the MT4 mobile app, tap on the side panel to open the side menu. Then go to Settings and scroll down to Charts and then tick the Ask Price Line box. You have added the Ask line successfully. You can also tick to activate and untick deactivate OHLC from here. Let's see how to use SL and TP lines. To see the SL and TP lines on the MT4 mobile app, open the side menu. Go to Settings and scroll down to Charts, then tick the Show Trade Levels box. You have added the SL and TP lines successfully. Thank you for watching. In our next video, learn about how to use orders in MT4 Android app. Stay tuned.